Hey, listen, do you feel nervous when speaking English? Every people will laugh at your mistake. Don't worry, you are not alone. Today I will show you 5 powerful tips to overcome your fear and speak English with confidence. Hi friends, welcome back to Next Step Knowledge. If you want to improve your English and speak without fear, stay till the end because I will give you a bonus tip that can change your life. And don't forget to subscribe for daily English motivation and tips. Tip number 1, change your mindset. Remember, English is just a language, not a test of intelligence. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Even native speakers make mistakes. Tip number 2, start small. Don't aim big speeches on day 1. Start with simple sentences like, how are you? I'm going to market. Use them at home with friends, even while talking to yourself. Tips number 3, practice daily. Just 10 minutes a day, you can change your fluency. Read a lot, record your voice, or repeat after English videos. The more you practice, the less fear you will have. Tip number 4, focus on your communication, not perfection. People care more about your message than your grammar. Even if your grammar isn't perfect, if you can share your idea clearly, you are successful. Tip number 5, surround yourself with English, watch movies, listen to song, follow English YouTube shorts or join a speaking group. The more English you hear, the more natural it will feel to speak. The final bonus tip is that positive self talk. Before speaking, tell yourself, I can do this. My English is improving every day. Confidence start in the mind. So, friends, remember mistakes are steps, not failures. Speak every day, stay positive, and soon you will speak English with confidently. Which tip did you like most? Comment below. I had loved to hear from you. And if you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to Next Step Knowledge for English learning videos. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.